This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2014 Bowman Sterling Football. This is a two-box break. This is an eBay break, so I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Here we go. Derry Garcia with the Vikings and the Giants. Joe Stan with the Bengals, Jaguars, and Raiders. M. Hay 1076 with the Packers and Titans. Yukon 966 with the Redskins and the Chargers. Soccer Freak 66 with the Buccaneers, Vetter 1 with the Rams, Sports and Music 101 with the Seahawks, Tally Ho 69 with the 49ers, Merlins 2013 with the Steelers, Carolina Lover 64 with the Eagles, Merlins 2013 also has the Jets, Wedge 2420 with the Falcons and the Dolphins, Sala Willie with the Saints, Tradero with the Patriots, Merlins 2013 also has the Chiefs, Carrie and Shelley with the Colts, Derry Garcia also has the Texans. Tevex 4 with the Lions. The Guts King with the Broncos. Justin Lee 89 with the Cowboys. Trek Sports with the Browns. DB Hulk 2 JNG with the Bears. Wildside Jeremy, I got that. That's a good one. With the Panthers. Brandy LK Hound with the Bills. M Cruiser with the Ravens. And Mr. Grot 12 with the Cardinals. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 2 sealed boxes, guys. Sealed. Sealed. Signed, sealed, delivered. Good luck, everybody. Packs, box topper, everything ready to rock and roll. Box topper first. Get the camera situated here. Here we go. Box topper coming right at you. Dolphins jumping out on the board. Jarvis Landry, jumbo 4-color, 9 out of 25. 09 out of 25. Jarvis Landry, jumbo 4-color. There's a little streak here. Something on the card right there. Good old Topps quality control there. I'm sure you can see a little bit there in the camera. Not sure what that is. Might even be able to get it out with your finger. I'm not going to mess with it, but just a little disclaimer. Dolphins on the board. First pack. Here we go. I do run through the base cards fairly quickly. If you need anything repeated, let me know. Darquise Denard, rookie. Zach Martin, rookie. CJ Federicks, rookie, 5 out of 75. 05 out of 75 there. Texans, first hit coming at you. Steelers. Steelers, Dree Archer, rookie autograph. Steelers striking. Dree Archer. Rookie autograph, Dree Archer. Steelers, next hit. The Jags. Allen Robinson, and that is an awesome looking patch. Look at that patch. 4 colors. Very nice. Allen Robinson, rookie. Dual relic. Next pack. Lewis Nix, rookie. Khalil Mack, rookie. Yeah. Johnny Manziel, rookie. And your hit. Patriots. Patriots. James White. Very nice looking card. Nice patch. 2 colors. 58 out of 99. 58 out of 99. James White. 2-color patch. Rookie autograph. Patriots. Very nice looking card. Patriots. And next hit. The Rams are getting on the board. Trey Mason. Dual relic rookie. 2-color patch on the bottom. Little gold there on the bottom right. Trey Mason. Rams. Next pack. Josh Huff, rookie. Paul Richardson, rookie. Lachey Seastrunk, rookie. And first hit of this pack. Wow. James White again. Patriots are hot. James White's hot. And that's 78 out of 99 there. Rookie autograph. James White, 78 out of 99 there. Patriots, James White. Next hit. Panthers getting on the board. Very nice patch. Kelvin Benjamin, dual relic rookie. 3-color patch on the bottom there. Even got some string hanging out. Got the whole 9 yards there. Kelvin Benjamin, Panthers. Marcus Lee rookie. Devontae Freeman rookie. Jeremy Hill rookie, and that is 84 out of 99. 84 out of 99 there, Jeremy Hill. Bengals. And, oh! Hey, hello, hello. Hello, hello. There you go, Giants. Odell Beckham Jr. rookie autograph. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Giants. Odell Beckham Jr. rookie autograph. Next hit. Cardinals. Logan Thomas dual relic. And there's a little bit of stitching at the top there. A little bit of stitching at the top on the bottom there. Logan Thomas. Cardinals. Little Odell sighting. Little Odell. Congratulations, Giants. Let's see here. Coney Ealy rookie. Sammy Watkins rookie. Odell Beckham Jr. rookie. And I guess that's it. And first hit, Taj Boyd. JETS, Taj Boyd. Rookie autograph. Taj Boyd. Jets getting on the board. And another Jets. That's a Jets pack. Jets hot pack. Dual relic, Jay Samaro rookie. Green swatch on the top and white, little bit of stitching on the bottom right there. Dual patch, Jay Samaro, JETS. Jets. Last pack, here we go. Charles Sims rookie. Kyle Van Noy rookie. Zach Bettenberger rookie. And your Dante Moncrief. Colts. Jersey rookie autograph. Dante Moncrief. Colts striking here. Moncrief. Colts getting on the board. Very nice looking card. And last hit of the box. Giants striking again. Andre Williams. Dual relic rookie. Two-color patch on the bottom there. Andre Williams, the Giants. Giants striking last. And empty box there, guys. Here we go. Box number 2. All the goodies in there. And let's start with that box topper. Ooh, wow. Nice looking. That patch just looks gorgeous. Trey Mason. And I absolutely love that patch. That is a very nice looking patch. Number 24 out of 50 for the Rams. A very nice looking card. First pack, here we go. Sammy Watkins rookie, Khalil Mack rookie, and we got a rookie variation here. Arthur Lynch, 21 out of 99, 21 out of 99 there. Dolphins, and your first hit. The Bears, Kadeem Carey for the Bears. Kadeem Carey, rookie autograph for the Bears. Bears striking, Kadeem Carey. Second hit of that pack. The Bills, Salam and Sammy Watkins. Dual relic rookie. And two-color patch there. Very nice, Bills. Next pack. Kyle Van Noy, rookie. Zach Mettenberger, rookie. Zach Martin, rookie. First hit in this pack. Cardinals. Logan Thomas, Cardinals. Logan Thomas, rookie autograph. Cardinals. Logan Thomas. Cardinals. And next hit, the Rams, Trey Mason. A little bit of Trey Mason in this break. Nice three-color patch on the bottom there. Dual relic rookie. Rams. Next pack. Uh-oh. Feels a little thin. I'm thinking redemption. Jarvis Landry rookie.
Devontae Freeman, rookie. Terrence West, rookie. And we do have a redemption. Good luck. Here we go. Autograph, rookie, relic, green, refractor, Carlos Hyde. 49ers getting on the board. Green refractor. Rookie relic. Very nice. Very nice. Carlos Hyde. And last hit of that pack. Dante Moncrief. Dual relic rookie. 2-color patch on the bottom. Colts. Moncrief. Very nice. Next pack. Here we go. All right, we got Bishop Sankey rookie, Ryan Shazier rookie, and a Kareem Martin rookie. Cardinals 16 out of 50. 1/6 out of 50 there. Cardinals. And your first hit here. Dree Archer. Another Dree Archer here. Steelers, Dree Archer. And that is numbered 23 out of 50. Dree Archer rookie autograph. 2/3 out of 50 there. Dree Archer, Steelers. Second hit of that pack. Lions getting on the board. Eric Ebron. Dual relic rookie. 2-color patch on the bottom. 2-color patch on the bottom there. Lions, Eric Ebron. And next pack. Louis Nix rookie. Marcus Lee rookie. Johnny Manziel rookie. First hit. Chiefs. Chiefs. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. Rookie autograph. Aaron Murray. Chiefs. Aaron Murray. Chiefs. Rookie autograph. Chiefs getting on the board. And second hit of that pack. Oh, wow. That is some gorgeous patches. Holy cow. Jordan Matthews, Eagles. 33 out of 75. And those patches are pretty sweet. Nice looking card. Gorgeous looking card. Eagles. Last pack. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Darquise Dennard, rookie. Coney Ely, rookie. And an Odell, rookie. And your hit. Browns getting on the board. The Browns. Terrence West. Terrence West, rookie autograph. Jersey rookie autograph. Terrence West. Brownies getting on the board here. Browns. And your last hit. Cardinals. Logan Thomas. Dual relic rookie. 3-color patch on the bottom. 3-color patch on the bottom there. Logan Thomas. Cardinals. And empty box there, guys. Let's do a real quick, brief hit recap. Here we go. Logan Thomas, dual relic rookie, 3-color patch on the bottom. Cardinals. Terrence West, Browns, jersey rookie auto. Jordan Matthews, awesome patches, 33 out of 75. Eagles. Got an Aaron Murray rookie autograph. Chiefs. Eric Ebron, dual relic, 2-color patch on the bottom. Lions. Dree Archer, rookie autograph, 23 out of 50. Steelers. Dante Moncrief, Colts, dual relic rookie, 2-color patch on the bottom. A redemption, Carlos Hyde, autograph, rookie relic, green refractor, 49ers. Trey Mason, dual relic rookie, 3-color patch on the bottom. Rams. Logan Thomas, rookie autograph, Cardinals. Sammy Watkins, 2-color patch on the bottom. Dual relic rookie there. Bills. Kadeem Carey, rookie autograph. Bears. Trey Mason, awesome jumbo patch. 24 to 50. Box topper. Rams. Andre Williams, dual relic rookie. 2-color patch on the bottom. Giants. Dante Moncrief, jersey rookie auto. Colts. Jason Morrow, dual relic rookie. Jets. Taj Boyd, rookie autograph. Jets. Logan Thomas, dual relic, rookie, Cardinals. Odell Beckham Jr., rookie autograph, the Giants. Kelvin Benjamin, dual relic rookie, 3-color patch on the bottom there, Panthers. James White, rookie autograph, 78 out of 99, Patriots. Trey Mason, dual relic rookie, 2-color patch on the bottom, Rams. James White, 58/99, 2-color patch, rookie autograph, Patriots. Allen Robinson, 4-color patch on the bottom there, dual relic, rookie, Jaguars. Dre Archer, rookie autograph, Steelers. And we started out with a Jarvis Landry, 9/25, jumbo 4-color patch, box topper. Guys, you guys all rock. Thanks for breaking with us. I'll stick around for a minute or two if anybody needs anything. And make sure you check out the website. And a reminder again, possibly our last week on Ustream. We'll keep everybody updated. Thanks again, guys.